Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. It's Tech Tuesdays, the day we break down the smartest gadgets to upgrade your home and lifestyle. Today we're checking out the Philips Hue Light Bar, a versatile smart light designed to make gaming, movies, and TV more immersive. Let's go through the good and the bad so you can decide if it's worth it. The good starts with what's in the box. You get a single white and color ambience LED light bar with its power supply and mounting hardware. It's compact, easy to set up, and can be placed in several ways, standing on a cabinet, laying flat, or mounted behind your TV for a glowing backlight effect. This light bar supports millions of colors plus warm-to-cool white tones, giving you endless possibilities for mood lighting. It can dim, brighten, and sync with your scenes, whether for gaming, movie nights, or just relaxing at home. A big advantage is its integration with the Hue ecosystem. With the Hue Bridge, you unlock automations, remote control, Matter support, and stable performance that won't clog up your Wi-Fi. You can even pair multiple play bars together for a bigger, more immersive setup. It also works seamlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, so you can control it hands-free. On the downside, it requires the Hue Bridge, which adds to the cost if you don't already have one. As a single bar, the effect is limited. You'll likely want 2 or 3 for the full immersive experience, and that can get expensive. So is it worth it? If you want to upgrade your TV or gaming experience with colorful, dynamic backlighting, the Philips Hue Light Bar is an excellent choice. But for the best results, you'll want multiple units, and that adds up in price. Check the description for links to this base kit and other bundle options. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.